Same street, different season. New scars, old reasons. Your name still sounds the same even after all these years. We smile like strangers who almost know how the story was supposed to go. Time changed us, softened the pain, but not the way I say your name. You ask me how I've been, I lie the kindest way I can. Say I'm good, don't say you were the hardest thing to lose. Years later we meet again, under different skies, but the same old rain. Your eyes still feel like home somehow, even though we're different people now. If this is all we're meant to be, a moment that reminds me who I used to be, then I hold it gently, let it pass, like a Korean drama scene that couldn't last. You wear a ring, I pretend not to see. You say it's good, you say you're happy. I nod like I don't remember every promise we made in winter. We talk about work, about life, skip the parts that cut like knives. Some loves don't die, they just learn how to stay quiet. In another version of us, you never walked away. In another life, this coffee shop is where forever stays. Years later we meet again, same hearts just trained to bend. I don't reach for your hand this time, but it still feels like it's mine. If loving you was the lesson I learned, then the pain was worth the hurt. I'll smile, let the memory pass, like a Korean drama scene that fades to black. No running through airports now, no last minute turnarounds, just two people who survived the love that almost changed their lives. And maybe that's enough to know it was real. Years later we say goodbye, we steady your hands, dry your eyes. I watch you walk into your world, I stay right here, letting go. Not every love is meant to stay, some are just meant to show the way. So I whisper thanks into the past, like a Korean drama, beautiful and meant to last. And meant to last. Only that long, the rain stops, the street goes quiet, and somewhere deep inside my chest I finally let you go.